This is the elevator at the Eastside Executive Suites offices in East Liberty, Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania. This appears to be either a Dover Marshall impulse elevator or a ThyssenKrupp impulse elevator. Oildraulic, I believe. Yeah, it's here. With 3. Interior go up. This is a ThyssenKrupp impulse elevator, probably with a TAC 20 controller. Oh, a little shaky. That's a rather loud buzz. Here are 3. We'll go back down to 1 and ring the bell ThyssenKrupp truck. Door closed button does not work. No phone, just red wiring. You can tell they tried to Velcro it shut, so I'll respect that and redo that. Pretty basic light gray cab. It's not very special. Here's your panel. Impulse fixtures from the late 90s, early 2000s. Here back at 1, here's your certificate. Here's your indicator, ThyssenKrupp elevator. I believe this is a ThyssenKrupp, not a Dover. Here it closes, and that's going to be it.